Can you give a Django app a verbose name for use throughout the admin? In the same way that you can give fields and models verbose names that appear in the Django admin, can you give an app a custom name?
Django 1.8 Plus. For the 1.8 docs, and current docs. New applications should avoid default _app_config. Instead they should require the dotted path to the appropriate appconfig subclass to be configured explicitly in installed _apps. Example. Then alter your appconfig as listed below. Django 1.7. As stated by Runix comment to op, this is now possible out of the box since Django 1.7. Taken from the docs. Then set the default _app_config variable to your config. Prior to Django 1.7. You can give your application a custom name by defining app_label in your model definition. But as Django builds the admin page, it will hash models by their app_label, so if you want them to appear in one application, you have to define this name in all models of your application.
As stated by Runix comment to op, this is now possible out of the box since Django 1.7. Taken from the docs. Then set the default _app_config variable to your appconfig.
If you have more than one model in the app, just create a model with the meta information and create subclasses of that class for all your models.
Well, I started an app called To Do and have now decided I want it to be named Tasks. The problem is that I already have data within my table, so my workaround was as follows. Placed into the models.py. Hope it helps.
Give them a verbose _name property. Don't get your hopes up. You will also need to copy the index view from django.contrib.admin.sites into your own projected admin site view and include it in your own custom admin instance. Then tweak the copied view so that it uses your verbose _name property as the label for the app. I did it by adding something a bit like this to the copied view. While you are tweaking the index view, why not add an order property too?
If you want to save time